YouTube, how you're doing? I hope everybody's been good out there. Today, as you guys can see in the title today, it is a fall winter must have. We all know we are all in fall and winter is right around the corner, and not just bringing you guys an idea of what I think you guys should need in your closet for this weather. If you're new here, welcome. If you're your older subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel before you leave out. Alright guys, let's get into the video because I don't want it to be too long. But before we get started, the way I'm going to show you guys is I'm going to show you guys the outfits, what you guys need, and then I'll go ahead and do a lookbook on how I will style it, and I think how you guys also should style it. And if you did style it like that, don't forget to tag me here or tag me on Instagram. Guys, the first thing I think you guys need in your closet is a good leather, pleather, PU, anything. A jacket, a jumpsuit, a dress, a romper, whatever it is. I think that is the fall staples. I see everybody in their mama wearing pleather outfit. Not pleather, but PU leather. It's not real leather. We're not offending the, I think it's PETA people, so but at least we're still looking fashionable. So I got this nice jacket over here, this beautiful one over here from Fashionnova. It is really cute, kind of baggy, big, and very comfortable. You could layer this. This is one of the staple things y'all need in your closet this fall winter season. It will hold you on, and it's not thick, and at the same time it's not light, so it will definitely keep you warm. Pretty little thin. This one is pretty thin, okay? This one is pretty thin, so it might not keep you as warm. This one is more of a fashionable kind of thingy, because if you are not wearing anything under this, you need to at least wear a jacket on top of this extra, because this is pretty thin. But I think this is one of the fall staples this fall and winter season. Okay guys, the next thing I think everybody needs in their closet is a jacket, a nice good jacket. And I know now this fall weather everybody's going with the shacket. I think that's what they call it, SHA. Okay, I'll put it somewhere here. Shacket. So I do have me a couple of this in my closet. This is another thing that I got from Fashionnova. It is this black and white jacket, shacket, whatever it is. This kind of outfit can be paired by themselves with a nice thigh-high boot, and also you could wear this layered on top of a jacket or something like that. So this is a really nice jacket to wear. You could size up in this if you want to wear it as a dress on its own, or you could buy size down because they are very, very oversized. So if you want to wear it on top of an outfit, I think you should stay your size. But if you want to wear it as a dress, so you go ahead and size up in this. But another thing that I think we need is fall, because fall is not that cold. Most of us live in a state that the weather in fall is not all that cold. So I think we all need a nice sweater. I think we all need a nice sweater. This sweater, I cannot link it because I got this from Marshall's. So yeah, and it's been like about 3 years now that I have this jacket, so I'm not gonna be able to link this, but I'll find something similar. So it is jacket with a hoodie. We all need something with a hoodie that we could just throw over our head and go about our way. It is a nice beautiful jacket. So yeah, it is this nice beautiful jacket right here with a hoodie on top of it. Real cute. Just pop it on top of your regular outfit and you are about your way. And guys, the next thing I think we need in our closet is a nice two-piece set, especially two-piece set that is sweatery material. I think we really need that in our closet because we all know two-piece set, we could wear the shirt with something else, wear the bottom with something else. This two-piece set, I got it from Fashionnova. It is such a beautiful two-piece set. It is a green color material, which also goes for this weather. Very thick, very sturdy, stretchy, and all that. So I would say go down a size in this outfit. Really go down. I just in a size small because it's ribbed material. You guys see it, all ribbed material. Most of them are very stretchy. It is really stretchy, guys. So this is the and it comes also, like I said, two-piece. It does come with a pair of pants right over here. The pants is very tapered all the way to the bottom, and it's also very, very stretchy. Okay guys, so now the two-piece set that I also get from Fashion Nova, it is this. When I first saw this online, I thought it was going to be a light material, but it is very thick, very, very thick sweatery material. Nice body, two-piece set. It's has a balloon on the sleeve, and I think this you could just wear a nice shirt on top of it. Y'all seen this vest on me so many times on this channel. It is this nice vest from H&M. You could wear this and also pair with this, and I think they both will look good and keep you warm this fall weather and also the winter weather. It depends on what you put on your feet. You should wear a nice, you could dress it down, okay guys, the next thing I think we really need in our closet is a jumpsuit. Guys, I have a lot of jumpsuit, and most of my jumpsuit are from JLux label. So I got this black one right here, also from JLux label. I got it in a size medium. I really love their jumpsuit. Their jumpsuit is so beautiful, good material. This is a black one. I have a couple of it, and I've stocked a couple of it here on my channel. So yeah, this is pretty thick and really good for this weather. That jacket that I just showed you guys, this jacket right here, you could also wear it on top of it and wear this as a layering concept like that. So this right here, nice body jumpsuits. I think everybody in their mama has a jumpsuit in their closet. I think this is one thing you really need in your closet for this weather. Really. Okay guys, the next thing I think we need in our closet for this weather season is a nice blazer. Like, I don't know if you're new to my channel, this is probably gonna be the first time you're gonna hear I am a blazer collector. I love blazer. I have my whole roll right here full of blazer. I'm gonna insert it right here for you guys to see. I have blazer in different colors right over here in my closet. Expensive. So this blazer right here, I got it from Shein. I got a size medium in it. Y'all know their medium is mostly size 6. It is this tan material. Last thing I think we need this fall winter season is a sweater dress. A nice sweater dress, a nice boots, and you are good to go. Layer it up with a jacket, a blazer, or whatever, and I think you are good to go. So this one right over here is the one that I got from Fashion Nova. It is this ribbed material. This outfit, y'all see how it looks? It looks like it ain't gonna fit nobody, especially me with all this curve and all this behind. Looks like it ain't gonna fit me, but this joint fit like a glove. Like, if you want it, I'll definitely have it in the description box. This outfit right here, I have it in this color. I have it in blue. I have it in brown. I have it in white. I have it in green. And I think I have it in one other color. I can't remember what color it is, but, and please size down. This is extra small. All right, guys, let's get into the styling. guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching me style all these fall winter outfit idea that I put together. All those things that I have, if I can see them, I will definitely link them in the description box, so please don't forget to check the description box. I will also have like a referral code from Fashionnova there for you guys, so if you guys can help your girl out, you get some percentage off and I get some percentage off also. So guys, until next upload, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Until next one. Mwah.